In the heart of the digital age, a covert war is raging. It's not fought with bullets or bombs, but with data. Information has become the most valuable currency in the world. Information security is the practice of protecting information from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. It involves the protection of information systems and the information processed, stored, and transmitted by these systems. Information security can be achieved only by implementing CIA model. C means confidentiality, I means integrity, A means availability. At first, we will discuss about confidentiality. This is Tom. He is running an online business. He used to send email to his client about the offers. The email is considered as confidential only if Tom and his customer is only having access to the email. Imagine as a hacker or unauthorized person is gaining access to the email. Now there is no confidentiality. Which means, confidentiality ensures that data remains private and accessible only to authorized individuals. Next one is integrity. Here there are two users, Sam and Anna. Anna is Sam's manager. Sam is requesting for 2 days leave. Here Sam sent an email to Anna. But some attackers captured the email and modified it as Sam need 4 days leave. And send it to Anna. Now Anna believes Sam need 4 days leave. Data integrity ensures that data remains accurate, unaltered, and trustworthy. Now we will discuss about availability. Imagine your university result has been published, and now you are accessing the university site. But you will get 404 server not found. This is happening because a lot of people are requesting for the web page. And it causes heavy traffic and it leads to denial of service. So availability is ensuring that systems and data are accessible when required.